Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. The title of the book is The Science Factor Unit 1, The Human Body. Today our topic is question answers of microscope, skin, eyes, ear, nose and tongue. Students, today we are going to teach question answers all of these topics. Reason behind is that you people have problems that wording is difficult and answers are so long. Some people also have issues that some questions are not done. Students, we are trying to teach our best level, but in videos we cannot convey all and cannot teach each and everything. In classroom, teacher also can skip some things. So here we are skipping some things that are not important, not necessary. First topic is microscope. Question is, why do you use microscope? Answer is, microscope is used to study things that cannot be seen by human eye. Next question is, how do things appears on microscope? Things appear much larger than their actual size. Next topic is skin. Question is, which is the largest organ of human body? Answer is, the largest organ of human body is skin. Next question is, what are the sense organs? Answer is eye, sight, nose, smell, skin, touch, ear, sound, tongue, taste. Here is E missing, taste. Next question, what does your skin do? Answer is, it protects our body from diseases, it holds everything inside body, it keeps body at right temperature, it provides sense of touch. Next question is, how many skin cells a person is losing every minute? Answer is 30,000 to 40,000. Next topic is eyes. Question is, what happens when our brain senses danger? Answer is, our eyelids close quickly. Next question, what part does the brain play helping you see? Answer is, brain turns the image in the right way. Next question is, what do the eyelid and eyelashes do? Answer is, they protect our eyes. Next question, can we perform daily tasks with closed eyes? Answer is no. Next question, how do you see an image? Answer is, at first the image formed outside down on the retina. Cells in the retina carries image to the brain. Brain turns the image in right way. How eyelashes protect our eyes? Answer is, they trap dust and other tiny particles. Next topic is ears. Students, now we will do question answers of ears. How does the brain help you to hear? Answer, brain turns the vibrations into the sound. Next question, what are the different sections of the human ears? What does each section do? Answer is, outer ear collects sound, middle ear sound hits eardrum and turn into the vibrations. Inner ear, it sends vibrations to the brain. Third question is, how ears are important? Answer is, because we hear the sounds with them. Question number 4, which sections turn the sound into vibration? Answer is middle ear. Question number 5, where are 3 bones located in human ear? Answer is in the middle ear. Question number 6, name these smallest bones. Answer, the hammer, anvil and stirrup. 7 question, can we hear while sleeping? Yes, we can. Question number 8, how are we able to hear? Answer is, when the brain changes the vibration sent into the ear sound. Next topic is nose. What jobs does the nose do? Answer, it helps us to breathe, it helps us to smell, It allows us to taste what we eat. Next question, question number 2. What causes you to sneeze? Answer is when your nose is irritated inside. Third question, can we enjoy and taste food without sense of smell? No. Answer is no. What are the tiny hairs in the nose called and what they do? Answer is the hairs are called cilia and they trap dust particles. And last topic is tongue. What are the different tastes? Answer is sweet, sour, salty, bitter. Question number 2. What are the main functions of tongue? Answer is it is used to talk, chew, swallow and taste the food. Swallow and. Question number 3. How does the brain help in tasting the food? Answer is when taste bud on the tongue send a message to the brain, then brain lets us know about the taste. Question number 4. What types of organ is tongue? Answer is muscular organ. Muscular organ. Here is spelling mistake. Word is muscular. muscular. Muscular organ. Student, your homework is your classwork is homework. For example, write and learn question answer. Write and learn question answer that we are taught today. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.